Video, and this time once again I have got another unboxing video, and I have bought another Royal Enfield boot. Actually it is the sneakers, and we need such kind of a boot which are actually not heavy. It is a lightweighted sneakers, and I got it just for 3,000 rupee. So from Amazon. So hey guys, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind's Session. So let's get started. And you can see this is the original packaging from the Royal Enfield, and it is written as a Royal Enfield since 1901. And you can see the packaging is very good, very nicely. It is a packed. Actually, I got another boot from the Royal Enfield, but it was heavier, and therefore I decided to return those heavier boots and to purchase these light-weighted sneakers. They called it as a sneaker, but actually they are boots. But they are a combination of boots and sneakers, and they are light-weighted. Anti-grip sole is also there, and okay, so let me open it, the box, and then I will show you the boot exactly how it looks it. And actually I know that personally I like only black color. Whenever I got shoes or boots, I prefer the black one, the black color. And this is actually I didn't get the exactly black, because the boots which mudbound boot which I purchased, it was actually a pure black one, but it was a very heavier in the side, and because of the heaviness, it was very difficult for me to walk, because I don't want to purchase the boot only for ride, but also to use it formally in my office also. So because I don't want to in that take another pairs of the boot for riding and for the formal use. And this is the sneaker which will be helpful not only for my office, but also for the trekking and biking also. And you can see the color of boots, and you can see the boots. Okay, so very nice boot, and actually it is a not so heavy. It is a very that light weighted boots, and you can see that there is a anti slip sole is there. You can see that, and here is written as a Royal Enfield, and it is a, that there are plenty much of the places there, so you can easily put your leg inside these shoes. And you can see that the olive color is there and the black one is there. And here you can see that there is a armor here. Again, your ankles also get protected because there is a armor. Not that the armor is there, but okay, but it may be protect your ankles. So guys, and here we can see that the toe has also a lot of things. So I like these boots personally. This is a boot plus sneakers, so I can wear it for office, for riding of my Royal Enfield bike, and also I can use it for that tracking also. So usually we don't have to carry two pair of boots, tracking boots, tracking shoes, and such kind of riding boots. So you can adjust this within this sneakers only. You can see the price over here, but I got it in discounted price and the Amazon. So very soon I'm going to use it for 1 week, and after that I will post my personal use review of these boots. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so you will never miss such kind of videos, such kind of amazing videos which I post every day. So hey guys, thank you very much.